Ever since my return to wrestling, online, Twitter, social media, all I keep hearing about it is dream matches. And one name keeps popping up over and over and over again. And that name is Brian Cage. And the wrestling gods have blessed us because we will face each other one-on-one at Wrestling Revolver. But Brian, I don't see this as a dream match. You are just another victim on my way to the very top in 2022. Just another scratch on the wall. Because Brian, I don't see you as a fellow big man. You are just a little boy trapped inside a big man's body. And at Wrestling Revolver, I am going to discipline that little boy and put you in timeout like only I can. Pro wrestling's best big man, the top dog.
It's Wrestling Revolver presents Once Upon a Time in Iowa, live on Fight TV, Sunday, January 16th, from the Horizon Event Center in Clive, Iowa.